The purpose of this video is to provide further information and complement the results shown in the paper. We have evaluated our approach in simulation as well as using real objects. The warmer color denotes the ideal grasping region. The task screw is shown in red. The computed ideal grasping region can be used by the robot to grasp the object and perform the motion associated with pouring, pivoting, and operating a screwdriver. We observed that using the bounding box to determine the task screw can cause some failures while pivoting. Failures were observed for the task of operating a screwdriver even though the robot grasps it in the ideal grasping region, mainly because we are not controlling the gripper forces and the screwdriver has a curved end.